Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Alright, so it's just in the fence line. Can I leave c6 for the knight here? Let's play for a queenside play, or do I compromise my d5 square? I think queenside play. Looks logical, b5. Okay. Knight h5. e5 looks as though it's going to happen. I think this is the time, maybe. This hasn't got bishop c5 or knight e5, has he? I'll plonk a knight on d4 here. Bishop g5, knight d4, you can take, bishop d8. I'm going to have a dead position, aren't I, for 6 million years. But apart from that, it should be okay. Yeah. Okay. Is he going to take a knight d5? What am I going to do about this knight? Let's take the exchange or something. Just ignore it for the rest of the game. King g7, a5, try and play on this structure here. Maybe e takes. Or c takes. What's the perks of each? Let's go with c takes. I can try and get rid of the knight later with exchange sack. Oh, this is not looking clever, I gotta say. This might not have been my cleverest idea to allow this huge knight on d5. I mean, it's like asking for trouble. I'm gonna have to try and get rid of it. f6 king here, queen h6, rook g8 for the moment.
Check.
I hope I can get rid of that knight. Before being mated. Okay, I think I have to get rid of it. Looks pretty dead position actually. Takes queen a5. No, there's no queen a5. It's coming in for rook g4 and queen h7. There's queen e8 f8. Nope. Yeah, maybe there's queen h6 defense. Okay. Queen h6 is the defense if he sacks the queen, and rook h4, queen h6. So what am I saying here? Groveling. Why did I go in for this? Why did I want this position? Why did I play e5? That was a terrible decision, position A. It's h5, maybe. For king h7, queen h6. Grovel. Take. It takes in bishop f6. It's time to take, isn't it? I want pinned 2 ways. So bishop f6, rook g8, king g8. Never know. I might be able to crawl out of this. Never know. I don't know. So like Houdini acted that gigantic knight to get out of a position like this. Ah, what's this? Okay. I think I need to get rid of this rook before this rook h5 happens. So bishop f6, he takes. I live to tell another day, don't I? I need that time. Oh, no I don't. I see what he did there. I understand now. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I really messed up there. Big time. The whole game. Nightmare. Let's have a look. That was a total. Yeah.
Check.
Total disaster positioning. I don't know what got into me there. But e5, like panicky reaction. And maybe this is not good either. Just here. Okay, what's happening? Just cover d5, literally, explicitly cover d5 square with a pawn. And just wait. Just wait. I think is the engine advice. This is just horrible. It's unplayable. Surely. Yeah, especially with f4, f5, that good easy plan for white. I deserve to lose this one horribly. And I did. Yeah, it's busted. It's busted. Rook takes g5, as mentioned. It's exchange down, it's still losing. Yeah, that was a gruesome one. Don't do that at home. Give a knight on d5 like that.
Check.
Even if you played Sveshnikov. Okay. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.